Hi, my name's Jamie. I'm the CEO and founder of the Ultimate Caddy system. Now today I want to walk you through how the system works, how it measures your swing and how it improves your swing. So we start with the devices. So these are the devices, the measurement devices here. In this example, and they're all movable. I wear one on the glove, one on the right wrist, one on the club, one on the waist, one on the spine, and I've got inner soles that measure the weight transference, weight distribution. So how do these devices work? Well, they transmit to the mobile phone, and we measure two things. One is the position, distance from the hole, distance from the ball, and height. The second thing we measure is orientation. So we have yaw, pitch, and roll. So this allows us, with multiple measurement systems, to truly measure your golf swing for using both drills and for swings. So how does the system work? How do these measurement devices work? So the Ultimate Caddy system is quite unique in that what we do is we make the link between drills and the golf swing. Now, drills are very interesting because they take you away from the fear of hitting the golf ball and are the best chance for golfers to get the right feeling for the right golf swing. So what we do is we walk the students through a number of drills, and then we link it back to the swing through measurements. So we measure every drill, we score every drill. The relevant stats from the drill, when it's done right, get taken to the golf swing and become the target. So let's walk through some of the basic drills. So the first drill, which we don't measure but we have a good video for, is the grip. So you've got to get the grip right, you've got to start with the grip, and every coach knows that. Not every student knows that, but every coach knows that. So firstly, the grip. Then we do an address drill. So we stand upright, lean from the waist, bend the knees, hang the hands. And here we measure the waist and the spine angle to make sure you're not leaning too far forward, over to the right, over to the left. Next we work on the backswing position. So the top of swing position, should I say. So we do this by doing a very simple drill just to get a static backswing position or top of swing position. So we start with the club out, move it upright, 45 degrees, and simply move back. And that is the desired top of swing position. The next thing to do is get the actual backswing itself. So the best way to do this is with momentum. So we stand over the ball, we get a bit fearful, and crazy things can happen. We can take it inside, outside, cock the wrist too much, not cock it enough. So the best way to do this actually is to start forward position and simply use the momentum to go back. Here again, we score it, measure it, and we take the targets to the big swing. So now we look at impact. So we start with the static drill, upright, 45 degrees, shift right, and simply take a step forward and hit the ball. Now what this is doing is it's getting the feeling of hitting from the right position, left foot transition, transitioning to your left side and coming through the ball. The next one we do is it's a very good one, certainly for beginners, is to be able to actually maintain the momentum in the golf swing. So as I said, the standing over the static position is quite difficult, but this is a very good one. 3 balls in a row, bang, bang, 3 hits. And what you're doing is you're moving to the left side, you're getting that feeling of momentum in the golf swing, and you're getting the feeling of moving to the left side. Another good drill is to understand and fix the finish. So we start with the address position, simply move the right foot back to your right side if you're a right-handed golfer, swing and finish. And in this one, it's almost impossible to stand back. A lot of people are standing back or holding back on their impact and finish position. It's impossible, almost impossible to not hold back. So this is the feeling of transitioning to the left side and finishing the golf swing. And here we score, we measure, take the right targets to the right parts of the golf swing. We also have drills for the short game, so as we all know, we often lose a lot of shots around the green. So we have various drills to improve pitching and chipping as well as putting. So here again, same concept. The measurements are taken, they're scored, and they're compared to the actual pitches and putts. So let's summarize the key features of the Ultimate Caddy system. Mobile measurement system, transmitting to a phone. You can do it anywhere. You can do it on the golf course, you can do it at the driving range, you can even do it at home. The other concept is the link between drills and the swing. A lot of people get the swing wrong, but they have a good chance of getting the drill right, getting the feeling through the drill. Score the drill, so people can improve their performance in the drill. When they get to a certain level of performance, we then take those targets and we take them to the big swing, whether that be the regular swing, the pitch or the chip, or the putt. All can be measured. So the Ultimate Caddy system is designed primarily to be working with the coach. So we can't tell you everything about the feel. We can't get into your heads and understand how you're feeling about the golf swing. We can measure, we can diagnose, we can set targets, we can monitor, but the coach is the one that can really take you to the next level to help you to make the right movements and get the right feel ingrained, so it's muscle memory. So the Ultimate Caddy, the way it works is that the coach can diagnose through the Ultimate Caddy, can measure, can set targets, can even set a program and then monitor the results, either online or offline, with that student. Please consider the Ultimate Caddy system. It's made up of 2 separate packs. So the first one is a starter pack, and that's made up of 2 devices. Now the good news is that these devices can be moved around to different parts of your body, depending on what you want to measure. The second pack is the accelerated learning pack, and that includes 6 devices, including the inner soles, to measure the weight distributions. There's a lot of problems happen from the ground up. So I encourage you to talk to your pro about the Ultimate Caddy system and start enjoying the learning process. Enjoy the process of purposeful practice and improve your golf game today.